Things that make guys jealous. The 7 things that make guys jealous. Hey, what's up, subscribers? Welcome to Cyclogy. If you are not a subscriber, then hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber. It's easy, buddy. Men are jealous by nature, but there are things that make real mad and even get to the point where almost seems like Hulk in anger. If you're looking for some reasons to make your man jealous, you do not need more than what I detail here. Number 1. Pictures with unknown men. The situation is quite obvious. If you want to make a man jealous, what you should do is to take pictures accompanied by men other than him, who he does not know. No matter if one of them is your boyfriend or not, it will work at the maximum. Obviously, you have to post them on Facebook. Number 2. Go out alone with tight and short clothing. This draws the eyes of all, and if you go out alone and he finds out, believe me, he will explode in jealousy instantly. Number 3. Speaking good things about other men. Males are territorial, and therefore if you speak well of other men, he will enter into jealous mode immediately. There is nothing worse for a man to listen to his partner speaking well of other men. Number 4. Receiving photos or messages of other men. If you're pretty sure you will not like sweaters, and for your partner to get jealous, you just have to receive messages or pictures of other men. Note, if this man is in love with you, the level of jealousy will be much greater if you give the pictures importance. Number 5. Ex-boyfriend. I think there's nothing that is before an ex-boyfriend and on the blacklist of your boyfriend. If he knows you keep contact with any of your former partners, certainly he will have a huge demonstration of jealousy. Number 6. Ignoring him. But I do not mean not to speak to him, but when making plans, if you are going to do something and you do not ask his opinion, or if you do not even tell him, he will become very jealous. He will think you feel single. Number 7. Getting out of work or school late. Jealousy and suspicion will come on the top for some reasons. You get out late where you are to go with him. You will drive him crazy, and well, there will be many uncomfortable questions. So subscribers, these were the 7 things you need to do if you want to make your man jealous. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button to become Cyclogy subscriber.